in Azam City. You're watching One TV News Channel. One TV News Channel. Serving you with information, news, sports, and public affairs. One TV News Channel. One TV News Channel. Serving you with love. Ang telebisyong pangmasa. One TV News Channel. One TV News Channel. One TV special report.
There are 12 members present, including the Honorable Presiding Officer.
Having 12 members present, the Chair declares a quorum. Good morning. Once again, may I request the Honorable Majority Floor Leader, Honorable Tapayan, for the order of business, please.
Yes, Honorable Chair. Thank you. Good morning. Good morning, everyone. We have no visitors today. Availing of the People's Hour, Honorable Chair. We now proceed to item number 5, approval of the agenda for the day. There is only one request, written request for insertion to order of business, Honorable Chair. The request from City Mayor as to pass a resolution approving the mobile national ID registration and other related activities from June 2, 2026 to September 26 in Azam City with the Philippine Statistics Authority. So, with this, I would motion to approve the agenda for the day with one insertion, Honorable Chair.
Move with the Honorable Majority Floor Leader to approve our agenda for today with one clause as being presented. Motion approved.
Thank you, Honorable Chair. Everybody was furnished copy of the minutes of our previous regular session on March 17, 2026. And I guess everybody was able to examine Piros, the condition of. Therefore, I move the motion to approve to dispense with the reading of the minutes of our previous session on March 17, 2026 and to approve the said minutes in toto, Honorable Chair.
There is a motion from the Honorable Majority Floor Leader to dispense the reading of the previous minutes and approve of the same. Motion approved.
Thank you, Honorable Chair. I can receive it. Please to review proposed resolution from the desk of Honorable Masila Sinumaya. A resolution realigning the amount of 50,000 from maintenance and other organizations in OOA, acting water electricity, utilities, to maintenance and other things in OOA, acting insurance premiums, other things under the city council. I move for approval, first reading with reservation information.
Move for first reading with reservations. Motion approved.
Thank you, Mr. In order to provide budget for the payment of insurance, premiums, and spouse and disbursement. This arrangement is being recommended to align the amount of 3,000 from our water electricity utilities expense to insurance premiums. I move for approval the second reading, waiving the honorable resolution.
Due to the urgency of this resolution, the Honorable Majority Floor Leader responsing this on the second and final reading given the rules. A resolution realigning the amount of 50,000 from maintenance and operating expenses from item water, electricity, utility expenses to maintenance and other operating expenses, item insurance premiums and other fees under the office of the City Council. Move for its approval of the second and final reading given that there was any opening remarks during the motion.
Thank you, Honorable Chair. Peter C. This is a request for President. There are no pending items on the table. We now proceed to item D, business communications. Number 1 and number 2 are all financial statements, cash flows, and financial position or NGO on our general fund and trust fund, Honorable Chair. So, in the meantime, Honorable Chair, I that these two items be merely during the recourse in the National Council.
Messages and applications, the general fund and trust fund as being presented from the majority leader, we just need to.
Thank you, Mr. Chairman, for the representative and item 8. Item 9, calendar basis. We have one appropriation in industry and services. This appropriation is for us to pass resolution approving the mobile national ID registration and other related activities from June 2, 2026 to September 2026 in San City by David is the basic authority. I yield now to the Committee on Civil Service. Equal ceremony. Member of the Committee on Service, Honorable Catherine Siding, to announce an action on this item.
The Honorable Captain Lee is now recognized for chair for the appropriation.
Thank you, Madam Chair. I would like to pass a resolution approving the mobile national ID registration and other related activities from 2nd of June 2026 to September 2026 in Luzon City by the Philippine Statistics Authority, PSA, for first reading with reservation.
First reading reservations,
Thank you, Madam Chair. This is for public needs. I would like to pass this on second and final reading, waiving the internal rules.
Due to the urgency of this, motion is passing this on the second and final reading, leaving the internal rules. Any remarks during the motion?
Thank you, Honorable Sir. There are no pending matters, mighty one, item number 10. This is for third reading. And sufficient, sir. We have this privilege to on these matters from the Honorable Catherine Siding.
Mr. Matters, Honorable
None as of now, Madam Chair.
Thank you, Honorable Sir. We also have this privilege to these matters from Honorable John P. Relation.
Thank you, Madam Chair, for asking matters na this moment.
Thank you, Honorable Sir. We will now have this privilege to hear these matters from Honorable Senator Siding and Tash.
Honorable Santas, you are now recognized.
For proceeding matters, Madam Chair, none as of the moment, Madam Chair. Thank you.
Thank you, Honorable Sir. At this point of time, we also have a special privilege to hear on matters concerning in digestible Honorable Decision, Honorable Sir.
Yes, Honorable Santas.
Thank you, Madam Chair, for writing matters, none as of the moment.
Thank you, Honorable Sir. We will proceed to one item. And here to the colleagues, we are important material and related announcement, Honorable Sir, before I proceed to the item.
Thank you very much, Madam Chair. Being the chairman on the Committee on Tourism, Madam Chair, I'd just like to commend and I recognize the following barangays who successfully staged the search for Miss Tourism 2026. In this respective barangays, Madam Chair, on May 1, Barangay Tinago, headed by SP Chairman Alforte and under Punong Barangay Fuentes. On May 14, in Barco, headed by SK Chairman of Lamina and under Punong Barangay Elie. On May 16, Barangay Karangan, headed by SK Chairman Batumalaki under Punong Barangay Lisina. And on May 24, Barangay Lamuan, under SK Chairman Gidelia, headed by Punong Barangay Baon. These respective barangays, Madam Chair, not only boost their tourism aspect in staging the most anticipated Miss Tourism 2026 in Barangay. It also encourages and provides a platform to all our young teenagers for personal development, empowering and advancing advocacy for women. That's why we will be recognizing, acknowledging this barangay who really took the effort, extra effort, the time, as well as their available funds just to showcase the hidden talents and beauties of the different barangays residents of these respective barangays in our city. Thank you, Madam Chair.
Thank you very much for your
Thank you, Madam Chair. If there are no more other matters, this my colleagues would like to report to this body. Because the Madam Chair has also something important. So, this month is globally observed. Month of June is as a Pride Month, which honors LGBTQ plus rights after the Stonewall riots in June 1969. Parades and events happen all month. This is also National City Month in the United States, and also this Alzheimer's and Mental Illness Month and Men's Health Month. So, with this note, Madam Chair, I am inclined to say my last thoughts.
Thank you, Madam Chair. On May 26, 2026, of course, the presiding officer, Vice President Levenari, the Mayor Sandra Mantas, the UBC President, Councilor J.J. Anlax, the Chair of the Good Governance, Attorney Daniel Lam, and this presentation attended the first local governance reform review and amendment program for the local government code of 1991 convention at the Charlie Beach Resort. And during the convention, Madam Chair, it's all about the Manila revisit the 1981 local government code, and there are some of LGUs in the province of Visayas Occidental, Lanao, Norte, and the city of Cagayan and Ibigan, who is speaking nagpabot lang sa mga proposed amendments all about the 1981. Okay, as we all know that 25 years na nilabay, and tanaw lang po kung ang nasa 1991 kung local government code is nagpabiling pa haong sa karong nga panahon. And that's all, Madam Chair. Thank you.
Thank you, Honorable Loy Longson. And that was the brief report regarding the attendance of the institute during the possible proposed amendment of the global code. But I think there was no vital changes for all the
Yes, Madam Chair. Some of the LGUs, doon na sila yung mga proposal like our LG officer na po siya ipagod na pwede ma-amend for the local government code, and itong i-gather nila na sa DILG, which is sila mo nag-host at event, and para po napagod sa kauluhan ang nakapod sa ground level ng LG kung sa iba sa
regarding the possible amendments of the local code, so it was entrusted to the DILG officer.
Thank you, Honorable Sir. This month, on June 5, is the World Environment Day. June 8, World Ocean Day.
And 112 is Philippine Independence Day. And the month of June is named after Juno, Roman goddess of marriage and childbirth. That's why June is popular wedding month in our country. So muli po June brides. Kung dan apilot mo sir, ay na move to adjourn the conversation on sir.
Session is